Hello there, this is Tom. Welcome to AstroCraft Feed the Beast. And of course I had to cough right there. Let's see. So I've been sick lately, if you just saw my update video. Um, but I've been working a bit here. I have a bunch of stuff laying around. We have this that we haven't placed yet. I have a skeleton soul shard here. Uh, oh, this is something I didn't knew at all. Apparently you can't use soul shards to make new soul shards. And I'm lagging a bit because I'm uploading at the moment. But let's see, let's pop right in here just a second. Because I made a tier 5 skeleton spawner here. And apparently you can't use that to make more soul shards. I have no idea why, if that's a glitch or if it's a bug or if it's just something weird. And yeah, I'm in a dangerous area because I have my goggles of revealing now. Yay! So this is basically where I have set up the farm for now, because it was a plan for me and ADHD to kind of make more of these soul shards. Let's just turn this on. Make more of the soul shards. Only problem is, as I said, you can't make more of them by using a soul shard. Let's see, it's running now. There we go. Also, I realized that a tier 5 soul shard can actually be kind of dangerous. You see, still one kill. One kill is all we have on it. Let's just kill these. Still one kill. So we can't kill. I get more soul shards by using another soul shard. Stop it! And also a tier 5 spawner can be dangerous if it's in the wrong hands. I'm just going to turn my volume down a bit. And that's because I can easily just crash the server right now just by letting this stay on. That's why I use computers, because they have a startup file and it's hooked up to the startup file, so the startup file will turn it off. So if the chunks get unloaded, the spawner will be unloaded and will not spawn. And as soon as the chunk get loaded, the computer will actually turn the spawner off. It will spawn, I think it spawned 6 at the beginning, and that's it. But as I said, the problem is that we can't really, like, yeah, it's kind of dangerous. We can't make more of these out of it, and I made one so we could easily make more of it. That's basically why I made this. And I was then going to make the cow one for later, but then I'm going to take this one out and actually make this into a cow one. And yeah, do that. So I'm going to take this out. Of course I had to. Fuck. No, 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 get out of here. Oh, fuck. That's not what I want to do at all. Now I need to get in there. Oh, fuck me. Just need to get out in there. Break the spawner and get out. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Luckily, you can get soul shards back by breaking the spawner, or else that would be just bad. But I got my computer back, I don't know where my monitor went, or my... No, not a monitor, what is it called again? I'm going to kill this. The modem. Oh, it's right there. Okay. I'm going to leave this here for now, so we can easily use that for later. So I'm going to take all my computer crafts, stuff like computers and turtles that I have around here, and just trying to find out what I have and kind of disable everything. I know it's not that much I have, but still, there's a few things like this computer, and yeah. So I'll be right back when I have all of it and I have a safe place to work with it. Okay, so I made... Yeah, I have a gold nugget on me. I found some gold in our chest and stuff, and I took everything so I could make myself these monitors. I'm just going to place them in... Let's see, I don't know if I need all of this even, but it's nice to have for later and stuff. So I think a 3 or a 4x3 might be a good look. I'm not sure. That's something we gotta find out. Yeah, I have a silk touch. I know it's the only pick I have, and for some reason I don't want to change it out. So to me that looks like a good control panel looking thing. Shut up. Yeah, so I took every computer that I know that we have here. So there's the power computer, which controls the watermill system. The 111, which is the one that turned the skeleton spawner on. Whoops. Tom's Master Server, or TMS, which is the computer that will control every single thing, which is basically the one we're going to hook up to this, or the one the monitor will communicate with to send signal further. I don't know. My programming computer, which I'm using for programming, which I probably need to make another one of. I'm not sure yet. A disk drive, 4 wireless monitors, a sorting turtle, which I used for some farming stuff with this. The 110, which was hooked up to the skeleton spawner, and my first mining turtle, which I accidentally broke, and I remade it, and the farming turtle, and a backup disk, which I'm having all my programs on, which is, by the way, password protected, which is awesome. Oh fuck. There's so much trash in my room here, so it's making a lot of noises. So first off, is my question is, do I have enough gold to make advanced computer? I need 7, I think. Yeah, 7. If not, we gotta start coring again. We have 3 there. I mean, fuck. Well, we have the gold nuggets in my AstroCraft laboratory. Let's see here. So it should be enough here to make another computer, and then I need to find a new place to start some coring, I think. No, this is not enough. I need one more, that's all. I'll try to find some more gold and I'll be right back. Oh, how I just love my Vano excavation. I was able to get 10 gold ore from that. And that was just I'm not able to get through here anymore. Oh, there we go. That was just some leftover stuff from down here and down there. So I would say I was really lucky with just that. We have a problem with the power system here. I'm going to turn that off, but I'm not able to record while I'm doing that because this will drop my frame rate really bad, as you can already see. So I'll be back when we have the advanced computer, and yeah, I'll be back then. Okay, so I got 20 extra ores from that, which is great. Now I haven't used all the gold, so we're actually able to leave some in case ADHD needs some. So we need this computer to do here. If you're watching this because of sorry, if you're watching this because of a touchscreen tutorial, this is probably where you will end up, because I will have an annotation at the beginning of the video which will lead you right here. First off, I'm going to go to set label, I think, or no, it's label set. Label set touch screen. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing at the moment. I haven't planned out as much, but we're going to do an edit startup to run a program from the beginning when the computer is starting up. And first off, we want an m equals peripheral. Is it peripheral? Dot wrap. I have the wiki right here, so I'm just looking at it. Yeah, wrap side. Right. Reboot. Edit start up. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing, as I said. Let's see, print and reboot. Okay, so it's working. Edit start up. Because with adding an m equals peripheral, that means I can do monitor. Like if I do this now, let's see, m dot print hello world. I can just when I start the computer now, let's just reboot it instead. Of course I typed wrong. Let's see here. Edit start up. It should be right. Print monitor, because then it will have. I'll be right back. Well, I fixed it. You can't use print for some reason, I don't know why, so you have to use write. Okay, so then we know it's working. That's great. Then we're going to take this out. Now we're going to do an first we need to print out a few things. So I'm going to first clear the screen. You can do that in here, by the way. Edit test. I renamed it to test, by the way, because I think that's better for some reason, because then I can add more to the startup instead of adding that to this script and just run this as the startup. I'll show you later. Let's see, we need to tell where. So let's add a variable. No, wait, first mon.shell. No, should that work? Dot shell dot run clear. Let's test that. I don't know how. What's going? No, that will not work. It test. There should be a monitor API here, I think. But I can't really remember what it was. Let's see. Shell run. Let's see. Let's do shell.run monitor write clear, because that's a program already there. Yeah, running clear on right monitor. Okay, and edit test as well and do shell.run clear. What I'm basically doing is shell run will run a program that is already in on the computer, so I can basically just do this and do edit startup. As I said, let's see, let's show it in a different way. Let's see, I accidentally pressed another button. List. So we have the test there, which will not run as a startup file, but I can edit startup and use shell.run test. And when I now reboot the computer by holding down Control and R, it will run the program, but we haven't really anything to show that with. So let's see. Let's find out where we're going to place this first. Let's see. os.setCursor, I think. Cursor. I'll be right back. mon.setCursor position. Let's just do 10 now to see if it's actually working, and then do mon.write works, and just reboot the computer to show you that the restart program is working, and it's working there. Awesome. Let's see. What now? That's the question. So we will print that out. Let's do it 1 and 1. Edit test. One and 1. And reboot the computer like that. No, 2 2. Edit test. Wait, if that's 1 1, what's 0 0 then? I'm always curious like that when I'm programming. So that is basically why I'm doing all that. Yeah, so now it's printed up there on the border, which is, I don't know, cool-ish. Let's do 2 2 then. 2 2 and reboot. Reboot. 4 4, and that's it. Then I'm done with that, because this is not what my episode is going to be all about. I'm going to do some more programming and not design it, even though I'm studying media design. That this is not what I'm going to work with. Yeah, I'll cut it and I'll be back when I'm done with this. Okay, so this is basically what I've been doing now. I had a lot of problems and I realized I didn't really have everything I needed to do this. I didn't have all the stuff figured out. But now we have everything ready here. So I printed out this. I have the buttons here, they're not working yet. So now we're going to edit test, and we're going to, this is just the monitor I'm writing and the color stuff. I'm not going to try to explain it because I don't understand. If you really want a tutorial, just leave a comment and tell me and I'll try to figure it out and I can try to explain it to you. So let's see, now we want an, I forgot it, let's see, find the, I'll probably cut this out when I'm looking for the APIs and stuff. Let's see, is it OS dot pull event? Let's see, edit tester. Oops, edit tester. OS dot pull event tester. Yes, edit test. So we do so what we do now is os dot pull event, and before that we want to add variables to this. We do events, not the big there, let's see, event, right? That's the event, and then what? Let's just try this. 1, 2, 3 equals, and then we do print event and that 1, 2. This is getting a little bit more advanced for me actually. I don't think I actually have all the knowledge about programming to actually do this, but that's kind of fun in my opinion. Let's see, edit test, an unexpected at 20. Edit tester event 1, 2, 3 and 4 equals. I'll be right back. Okay, event and side of the monitor, or not the side of the monitor, but first it will check, it will save the event. In this case it will be touch. In event, the side, which side the event is on, and the X and the Y position there. So we're going to do print event, print side, print X, and print Y, and run the program and click. So there we got monitor, touch, right, and this. So we can do this now, edit test, we can go into this and do shut up zombie. If event equals, what was it again? Touch underscore monitor, then print something. I'm not going to try to whoops, edit test. I forgot an end there. That's not working. And end. Run the test. Of course I did it wrong. Let's see, edit test. That's the print event just to see, print, make sure everything is right here. Event and test monitor underscore test. No, monitor underscore touch. Edit test. So it's close enough. If event equals monitor underscore touch, print something, test, pop, and there is something. So that will basically change it up so I can have let's see, so we can have other stuff around it, so it will not accidentally like let's see, I can show that easily by doing this and do because the pull event will actually pull events from this as well. And if I do something like this and run the test program now, it will run that, but when I do this, it will actually pull the event from me or from the disk. It will be a disk event, and that's not what we want, so edit test. So we're going to do else print not here and end. So now we can run the test program and it will print something when I touch the screen. And if I touch here, not here, because the pull event will also get an event from this screen as well, and that's kinda awesome too. So now we're going to change this up and add if x equals, what was it? Let's see. Line. So line is 20, 20, and or x equals 21, because you see we have it too wide. Then, well, let's do this instead. Equals to line 1 plus 1, and this to line 1, then print something. And I'm doing this just to test it because I haven't tested it as well. Let's see, then expected edit test 27. Then expected. Okay, let's see. Let's just test with the X for now. Then expected edit test. Did I write something wrong there? If X equals, no, I forgot an end, that's all. No. Okay, all I forgot was actually, let's see, I forgot to set it to equals 2, so now it will check if X is equals to line 1, which is 20, and then or X equals to line 1 plus 1. I don't know if this will work, but it's only one way to find that out. Let's press there. And apparently it's working. That's great. So let's edit that to do so. Well, first off, let's do this. Let's monitor right. Yes. So this should be. I should check out how functions actually work, because I don't know how that works. This is going to be red for now, because it's by default going to be off. When I press this, it's going to turn on, and that's going to turn off. Let's see, edit test. So if I press that, it will not print something anymore because we have that. It will check if y equals to, what's the y again? It's 6. 6, then monitor dot set cursor position line 1 6, because that's what we have up there. I'm just looking here. Mon.set text. This is probably not the easiest way to do it. Let's see, colors white, no black, black. Mon dot set background. This is what I did wrong earlier. No, I didn't show that on video. I accidentally wrote forgot the R there, so I got a lot of errors from that. Color dot green, and I need to find a light green instead, because that green color is just ugly as hell. Let's see, the color API, find a green color. There's only one green color, okay. And then monitor dot right on monitor dot set cursor position line 1 plus 4, 6, mon.set background color colors dot gray. And I forgot something there. I see now. It's going to be an S right there. Like that, and we're going to do mon.write, and I should add that as a function instead, but as I said, I don't know how functions work yet. So let's run this. If I now press there and expected on 14, so edit test. I might have forgot the end. Yeah, I forgot it. Let's see, there and there. Let's see, test. Let's press that. Nothing. Oh, but it didn't edit 20, no, 34, was it? Set back there. There, I forgot it again. Let's see, the R test. There we go. And that's not working now, of course, but yeah. Now that's working. Of course, I have to add so I can change this, and that will always pull events and stuff, or waiting for events and stuff, so I can just press that. But I think we are out of time for today, unfortunately. I've used a lot of time on this, and I might end up using more time on it, but let's see. I don't want to really do all that much computercraft programming on camera, because I don't really like to do it, because I know I'm failing a lot on it. Just going to make sure that ADHD has some power when he gets on. And I don't think this power system will actually lag the server, but it's dropping the frame rate a lot. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, but that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Next time I'll try to work on the cow farm. And by the way, you see this wall? At the end of this episode, you will actually see a time lapse of me and ADHD building it. So that's cool. I'm going to build the cow farm later on. That will be somewhere around here, I think. I'm not completely sure yet. Looks like someone's been here. No, it's just water. I barely can't see my screen because of the sunlight hitting the screen through the window. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. I'm sleeping in your bed, ADHD. I'm sleeping in your bed. What you gonna do? Rape me? You probably heard it. I wasn't able to run away because I was stopping the recording and my frame rate was low then. I didn't just I didn't just lay in your bed. I destroyed it. Oh fuck. Oh well.